Hello everyone, I'm Demore Thompson and today I'm excited to share my custom PC build for gaming. Designed to stay within a budget of 1500 US dollars, I carefully crafted this build using PC Part Picker, ensuring all components are compatible and optimized for a high performance gaming experience. The primary goal of this build is to create a robust gaming computer that can effortlessly run modern AAA titles at both 1080 pixels and 1440 pixels resolutions with smooth frame rates. Additionally, I aimed for a system that allows for a great upgrade potential, making future enhancements simple and straightforward. Now let's dive into the components I selected and the reason behind each choice. For the CPU, I have the AMD Ryzen 5. This processor provides 6 cores and 12 threads, delivering exponential performance for gaming and multitasking, all at a competitive price. For the CPU cooler, we have the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3. Not only does it keep the computer cool during intense gaming sessions, but it also provides a stunning visual touch with its RGB lights. For the motherboard, I have the Asus Prime B650 Plus. I chose this motherboard for its support of the AM5 platform, built-in Wi-Fi, and compatible for future CPU upgrades. For the memory, the Corsair Vengeance RGB. This high-speed DDR5 RAM ensures quick performance in demanding games while also enhancing multitasking capabilities. For storage, the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 2 TB. This ultra-fast SSD minimizes load times significantly and provides a ample storage space for large game files. For the graphics card, the MSI Ventus 2X GeForce RTX. The RTX 3050 is a reliable graphics card for both 180 1080 and 1440 pixels gaming, featuring ray tracing and DLSS for a more immersive visual experience. For the case, I have the Lian Li 011 Vision Compact. I selected this case for its excellent airflow and sleek tempered glass design, which is perfect for showcasing the components. For the power supply, I have the MSI Mag. This fully modular power supply is efficient and ensures stable performance while keeping cable management tidy. For the operating system, I have the Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. This OS guarantees compatibility with the latest games and updates, along with enhanced security. For the monitor, we have the MSI Mag 275 QF. Finally, this high refresh rate monitor ensures smooth gameplay and exceptional image quality. The total cost for my build comes up to approximately 1,418 US dollars, comfortably fitting within the game and PC budget category. I confirmed the compatibility of all components using PC Part Picker, ensuring a seamless assembly and optimal performance. The system is designed to upgrade with upgrade potential in mind. In the future, I can easily upgrade the GPU and the GPU to an RTX 4070 or higher and add more storage or swap out the CPU, all without needing to replace the motherboard. This flexibility adds tremendous long-term value to the build. In summary, my gaming PC build strikes an excellent balance between performance, cost, and upgrade potential, ensuring smooth gameplay and long-lasting reliability. Thank you for tuning in to my presentation on the custom PC build. Yeah, it's not done.